Good morning, everyone.
Here we go.
It is about 8 a.m. We just, why are you bringing, oh, y'all gonna bring your coats in?
Yep.
Okay, so today is gonna be a pretty busy day. We're going to the animal safari that I was telling you guys about earlier this week. First, we're stopping at IHOP to get some breakfast though. Oh my goodness. Okay, we finally are up here. This is the what is this? The gift shop, souvenir shop?
It's a monkey.
Hey, put that stuff up, boy.
Okay, that's it.
The doctor was there.
There's the bus. Everybody's with me. Y'all say hi in the camera if y'all can see.
Hi. Hi.
Can we all fit?
No.
I don't know if you want to eat that stuff. Woo. Here, come back here with us. Keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going. Sorry.
Where's the window?
Randy, you want to sit with your sister or you want to sit with me?
With you.
Oh, okay. Oh, shoot. Somebody can sit with Rihanna.
Somebody sit with my name.
Okay, got a few things to go with you right quick before we get started. First most important thing is while the bus is moving, you have to be seated. This tricky little old rascal, he likes to be able to see you hanging up there with that pellet in there, and then you have that sack thing down there on your lap. He'll act like he's going to take that one out of your hand and reach down there and get that sack before you know it. You better hope that's all.
Are you scared, Randy? So I'm with my brother, my sister-in-law, Jamie, and the kids, and we're at this animal safari in Stratford, Missouri. It's about, basically it's in, Springfield, basically. Took us about 3 hours to get here, and now we're on the tour bus and we're about to see some hungry animals. Here's the food that we'll be feeding the animals. It looked like horse poop. Don't put that by your face, boy. This is me and Randy sitting by each other. We're about to get this show on the road. They told us to be careful with our cameras and phones and stuff because the animals will try to eat them. Oh goodness, we about to get this started. I'm so nervous.
I'm going to throw this one out of face.
No, don't throw nothing at his face, boy. Oh, look at them little guys. Hi, guys.
It's dog food.
Randy, you want to throw some food out to him? Oh. What Tyrone say? They ugly. So I don't know what they see on that side, but they throwing something down. What y'all do? Y'all hit them in the head? You hit them in the head? Oh, look at these guys. Okay, but be careful before you knock my phone out my hand, bro.
I don't know how to throw
Look at him.
I didn't throw it up.
No, you're not going to reach him. He's in the cave. There's some guys behind us. So there's like a herd of animals behind us walking. I don't know if you guys can see them out that window. Look what I see right outside my window. Look at him. Ooh, there you go. Whatever y'all do, don't try to kiss me, okay?
Yeah.
Look at his eyes.
Dad, just throw it to him.
Oh, look at him.
Dad, throw it.
Here, Randy, he wants something. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh my goodness, this is getting.
Look how much food is on his back. Look. Hey. Who did do that? Really? Yeah. No.
Look at him.
What's his ostrich? That's the ostrich thing. He's coming over here. He like.
I don't see it. Oh, I see him right
He's
there.
like, baby,
He said, "Come back, guys! Come back!" He taking a bath over there.
Did I just throw in the water?
No.
I did the
Now that's a wild animal.
Oh, here.
Look at his horns. They look kind of fuzzy, don't they?
Here you go, animals. I like animals.
Okay, that's enough.
One more, okay? One more.
You are so fascinated by the poop, ain't you? Look, look. Look right there. You see him?
I can't see.
Uh-oh, 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 uh-oh. He looked at me right. He looked me right in the eyes. Hi, Jayla. Hey, girl, you on this side now? This is like a roller coaster ride in itself. Shit. This mug ain't got no seatbelts. Reagan, you scared? I traded spots with Randy.
Hey. Yes, he ate mine.
Look at him.
Be careful.
Oh, look at Jayla. She's feeding him. Look. Watch this, Randy. Look. Watch this. Look. Look at my hands. Look. Look, Randy. Oh, shit. Here come the Slobber King. Look at Randy. Look at Randy. He all on my lap. The Slobber King is coming up. He got his head off. Hey, I got something for you, boy. Okay, he's not gonna come in here. He's getting that guy down there. You scared, Randy? Why? He's just gonna give you a kiss.
I hate that.
He got a bump on his back? What do you think he is with a bump on his back? A who?
A fat camel.
A fat camel.
What?
Oh,
So cute! Here you go! So cute!
I'm dying back here, cracking up. Look at that little dude up there. There's a dude in the front of the bus. Look at him.
Back the booty up, Goofy!
Jay, you feeding them? You gonna feed them out of your hands, Randy? Look, look. Reagan, give him a kiss. I want him to hug. I want to give him a kiss.
I have 3.
You got 3 already? So you don't want me to throw nothing out to him? You got it? You gonna just throw it out to him? Look, rub his hair. Rub his hair. Hi!
Look at the animals over there. Say bye.
Randy's a little scared.
Better be eating your candy.
Shut up.
You got candy.
I think Randy done ate some of this animal food. Look at that car up there now. That car about as little as my Toyota used to be. They play too much. Girl, you didn't eat breakfast? It looked like poop. You really licked it.
Yeah, she really licked it.
The stink, Jay.
Yeah, like straight up here. Smells like straight up here. It smells like straight up too.
Here's a few little animals that we forgot to discuss.
I saw you digging in your butt.
Let me get y'all's picture. Say cheese. Y'all look so cute. Slow down, guys. Okay, we're going to have to stay together on this one because if something break loose, we need to run together.
Those are lions.
Yeah.
He said okay.
You can never see them.
Please do not antagonize the lioness. Do y'all know what that means? That's not food. That's poop. Just wait.
Oh my God! Look at that giraffe.
Oh, I see him now.
Come over here.
Randy, you gonna touch the giraffe? Or you gonna be too scared? You was about to jump out of your seat on that bus, boy. Y'all wanna feed him? Get the food out of my bag. I got some food in the bag. Oh, look how cute he is.
I want my boat now. I did that though.
He said he want to come over here and get a personal. Oh, okay. He licking the bar, getting it ready. Reagan's new boo.
Yeah, I just went like this and then he just lit.
Ooh, was it slimy?
Yeah.
Randy, you want to do it? Rihanna, back up. I'm sorry, Jayla.
Here, you gonna eat it.
Here, Randy, feed him.
Sorry.
He a pretty big one.
He's pretty little.
Tiana, don't do that.
He is big.
You can't reach it. There you go. He'll get it.
Oh my. He like, thank y'all. Really, Rihanna? He ain't messing with you no more.
Daddy, can I?
Ooh. Look, it's actual slobber on my wrist. Look at it. I'm not gonna wipe it on you. I just want you to see actual slobber on my wrist.
We gotta feed the other animals.
I know. I just want to sit here all day and play with this guy.
Here, check.
Uh-oh. He ready. He trying to get up out of there.
I'm gonna hit you undirected, Mommy. Mommy.
So what you see behind me is everybody feeding.
Mommy, it looks like an L and a gun.
They're feeding a giraffe.
It looks like
The baby one went away. There's another one over there somewhere. I hear you, Randy. I hear you. I was trying to get a selfie with him, but he keep running off. So I got to feed a giraffe, and I got a whole handful of slobber from him. Very nasty, but fun. Now we're going to go feed some other animals. This has been a fun trip. Why does all these animals keep coming to you and talking to you? Oh. He is too beautiful.
They like Tyrone.
Bird loose, bird loose.
It's already.
I hope he opened up his wings or his feathers. I want to see him.
I want to see them. They're very long.
Look at him.
Everywhere.
I'm going to go sit by him, okay?
Okay, go.
I'm just playing. I ain't crazy. Don't go too close to him, y'all. He might freak out and just start attacking and pecking and eating people.
I'm the fastest one.
He said the first one to get picked.
Big head in the way. Ah, she gotta show us something. I got you.
Okay, she about to open up her feathers.
I got you. Show us, girl.
Randy, Rihanna, let's come over here. Let's stand on one side just in case he needs some breathing room.
She said, I look good today, y'all.
This fool's showing out. You showing out for real, girl.
Yeah, just open up the feathers.
Hey, pretty Peeky Choo.
I can't get the head. The window's too dark.
Or did I just let it go?
It goes loose. It's not gonna do anything unless it feels attacked with like a whole bunch of people standing around it staring at it.
Like we do right
But she said a whole bunch.
Oh, he about to take flight.
now. Open up your little feathers.
He gonna end up on the highway in a minute. Oh look! Woo! Oh my God! Look how she's strutting. Look how she's strutting, though.
Oh, don't take it out.
Okay, that's enough dragging.
Put it up. Put it up. Please. Wow. That is so cool. You're so cute.
Okay, now we're going into the reptile house.
Oh, this ain't that bad. During their cages. Snapping turtle.
Where are the snakes we gonna pick up?
Yeah, there are alligators
That's right.
in here too.
Where you see an alligator? Oh, I do see them.
And here.
They ain't gonna eat the dang on turtles?
Yeah, we did.
Oh, the turtle got a shell so he can protect himself.
Yeah, but
Yeah, and plus they're small tigers. I mean, not tigers. Interesting animal. It's so cute. Wait. What's in there?
He look like he could break this mug if he really wanted to. Look how long he is.
Oh, I thought this was.
Oh yeah, look. His skin's been shedding. You see it?
Oh, yeah.
Off in there. Is that water that is just sitting there?
Yeah, in there. Oh my god, look how much you shed in there.
Oh wow, he did. He shed a lot of skin.
In there.
See all that skin he done shed right there. Right there. Oh, he looks scary.
Some of them is hiding.
If he jump, I'm running.
Look at him. Because I didn't see it right there. It surprised me.
He got a little mohawk.
Camouflage.
Look at his face. Look at his eyeball.
Camouflage. Get camera. I'm wearing camouflage. Get the camouflage.
This is a cute shirt with a tiger. Oh, it's not even that expensive. Look.
Mommy, can I have glasses? No. I don't want to hit that. I want to hit.
You want that one with the blue shirt?
Yeah, I like it.
How much is that panda? You didn't even look at the price.
Oh, I see it.
How much is it?
There's a lot.
How much is it?
$39.95.
Girl, you're going to have a lot of chores to do to get that. You want it?
Yeah.
Get it.
But I only have $20.
I'm going to get it for you, but I said you got a lot of chores to do to make up for that.
I want a new one. I want a new one.
This is everybody here at McDonald's about to eat. Why you all in her grill laughing?
Because Dayla was digging in her boogers.
Why you gotta put her on front? This is like the nicest looking McDonald's I done been to. The rest of the McDonald's in the hood need to take heed. They all fancy up in here. Can everybody get a little dance on? So Trayvon sitting down. Stop, Randy.